branch of Mr. Carlos Potong Francisco. There's no stopping freeway.
Learn more about the man who we are celebrating tonight.
He's able to use everyday scenes of Angono, the objects in Angono, the symbols in his painting. That's what I think makes him really special. That intimate knowledge of the Philippine community.
It's very important to know history. At nakikita mo natin dito sa mga paintings ni Don Francisco, the history of the Filipino people.
Pressure, yung comparison is always there. Kaya lang, kailangan cope ngayon ng 5 years na, kailangan manapit sa kanila.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to our guests.